sleep apnea.
It goes on for years and years and years. They don't even know about it. We're always exhausted. Like throughout the day, you're just sucking down coffee and trying to stay awake. Yeah.
Do you snore?
I have a mouthpiece. It holds my tongue down. Keeps
Right.
my tongue from sliding back.
Right.
A world difference. Changed everything.
Dude, you're like 50% more likely to have car accidents if you have sleep apnea.
Oh, yeah.
I feel so much better. I'm like
Wow.
sleeping through the night. I dream again. You know, I know a lot of people have this, men and women, and there's this weird kind of shame around it.
It's a weird thing to be shameful of.
Yeah,
Right?
man, sleep. You got to sleep. It's really important. It makes everything better. It'll your job. It'll won't get hard-ons. It'll like ruin everything.